Hello and welcome to Journey of Joy with Anjali Verma. We have a very special guest. Her name is Priyanka Agarwal and I'm super excited to introduce everyone out here from a youngster filled with hope to a successful women entrepreneur. We are talking to one of the leading and most charismatic business leader, Miss Priyanka Agarwal. She is someone who has witnessed enough in her life and she understands what it takes to keep a head level up in most situations and to approach every step of life with a good attitude. Let's hear the journey of Priyanka Agarwal from her own mouth. Thank you so much, Priyanka, for being here. I am very excited to know about your journey because I don't know a lot of things about you and I'm here to share all the questions and understand all the answers from you.
Most welcome.
So first of all, I want to know your journey.
Definitely. First of all, thank you, Anjali.
Thank you.
For inviting me for this lovely
It's my pleasure.
meet, And before I start about my journey, I want to tell you something that this is the only podcast I have agreed upon. Two reasons for this. I only work with real people.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Priyanka. I think that is wonderful to hear.
Lovely. So talking about my journey, short and to the point because बहुत 34 years की लंबी journey है, उसको मैं short में बताऊंगी.
Right.
Professionally 19 years से I'm working. I was only 16 when I started working.
Okay.
To be, I belong to a lower middle class family where we were not fortunate for a lot of things. जैसे बाकी लोग भी है.
जी.
इसमें कोई बुरी बात नहीं है.
बिल्कुल
एक स्टूडियो पार्टनर में बड़े हुए मैं, my brother, my mother and my father was always away. He was there but he was always away. So my mother took the responsibility of 2 children all by herself.
All right.
And fortunately जो मेरे पास हमेशा से था वो था बहुत सारा प्यार और विश्वास.
Correct.
बहुत सारा.
Okay.
So I had lot of freedom. Anjali, बचपन से मेरे पास बहुत freedom थी. So when I was 16 and I came to know that I will get married in a year or 2 because I'm Agarwal, we are Banyas, and we had that trend कि हो गए हो अभी आपको शादी करनी है. And I was very scared of this thought because I have not seen happy marriages. I have not seen happy couples. I have seen forced. I have seen disasters. So I never wanted to. जो आप देखते हो आप वो adapt कर लेते हो. So my story was like that.
Right.
Now coming to my life, I started working at the age of 16. I'm very fortunate I did that. I was in Kingfisher Airlines to start with. 18, 19, 20. When I was 18, 19, 20, I was with Kingfisher.
Okay.
3 years I was flying with them happily, amazing,
Great.
lovely journey. Before they shut down, I was still there.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
So I came back on my own because my family was not allowing me to go abroad. I got selected for Singapore Airlines as well.
Okay.
But मैं नहीं
that's
गई. I wanted to come back.
Alright.
My brother, my mother, they wanted me to settle down in Pune.
Okay.
Now when I came back, Anjali, unfortunately I saw मेरे पास जो jobs offer हो रही है, it is only because I was in Kingfisher to receptionist or hotel में, and my family won't allow me. They were very clear about my Nanaji's family basically. So what I did, I joined a small broker firm.
Okay.
100 square feet का उसका office था, like 100 square feet,
Right.
And I didn't tell at the home. मैंने घर पे नहीं बताया कि मैं एक reception की job कर रही हूँ, receptionist की.
Right.
I joined as receptionist.
Right.
Okay, and I started telecalling, customers को call करना. I learned there, and by God's grace I got that opportunity. I learned how to call the clients, and मैंने देखा अंजलि कि मेरे call की वजह से clients आ भी गए. So I was super happy at the age of 20. This was like a biggest achievement for me. And customers आ गए. अब क्या हुआ? जो sales person थे, my first step towards sales. Sales people जितने भी थे सब चाय पीने चले गए. And I was I was alone in that area. तो I did one thing. मेरे पास स्कूटी थी Activa. कस्टमर को पीछे बिठाया मैंने Activa के और मैं उसको फ्लैट दिखाने लेके गई रेंटल अपार्टमेंट 3000 का.
Right.
And I cracked my first deal.
Oh.
And I can't tell you, it was like the
you were
biggest thing
young.
for me.
Yeah,
And the owner was very happy. And he said, from today you're promoted, etc. Salary में कभी promotion नहीं हुआ है. But for me, learning was very important. And
Definitely.
that's how my real estate journey started. From a small broker house to a developer.
Right.
And then developer. So almost 12, 13 years मैंने job किया है. I left my last job at a very good position. And then I started my own firm. खुद का start करने का reason soul selling. So I am a soul seller.
All right.
So soul seller क्या होता है अंजलि? I'm not a broker. There are channel partners and there are soul sellers.
Okay.
Channel partners क्या करते हैं? एक ही लोकेशन में 10 प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं. तो एक क्लाइंट को वो 10 प्रोजेक्ट पे लेके जा सकते हैं. It is their wish कि वो कहाँ क्लोज करना चाहते हैं. What a soul seller does, I'm a very focused marketer. I will take a builder's project and I will only do marketing and sales for him. वो एरिया में मैं कोई और प्रोजेक्ट नहीं कर सकती हूँ.
All right.
But I can involve brokers with me. You know, so my job becomes double. Now, when I started this, मुझे हाथ में नहीं मिला है. I started my project in Mohali. I had to stay away for 2 years. Then I came back to Pune. I was into affordable housing, Anjali, you know. 15-20 लाख के customers को मैं cater करती थी. I used to travel Chakan, Talegaon, Shirur and Ranjangaon. इतने दूर लोकेशन से मैंने travel किया है. कोई भी काम के लिए मना नहीं किया है मैंने. कोई भी काम के लिए.
Right.
And that's how my journey went up. Right from 10 lakhs apartment, today I'm selling 2 crore apartment under sold sell.
That's
so, you know,
superb.
thank you यार. So this is the, you won't believe builders ने मुझे बोला भी कि प्रियंका आप सिर्फ affordable बेच सकते हो. I explain them, sir, give me a chance. You know,
Right.
we have to be soft. We have to make sure that they understand. Give us a chance and you see if I'm not able to do it. And I got a chance and फिर मैंने पीछे नहीं देखा.
Nice. Amazing.
Thank you. Yeah.
This is so nice. I just want to listen to you. It's something of those.
lot of
kind.
efforts, teamwork,
Yeah. So you have
team.
seen a lot of struggles as well.
lot of struggles अभी भी है. I don't sit at my boss chair, Anjali, and work. I'm always at my station. I'm always on my site. I'm always with the team because you know अभी भी being getting into my own business, मैं अभी भी अपने आप को entrepreneur नहीं समझती हूँ.
Correct.
Because you know, I feel I'm still doing a job. मैं अभी builders के लिए काम कर रही हूँ.
Right.
मैं team के लिए काम कर रही हूँ. मैं
Right.
customers के लिए काम कर रही हूँ. You know वो जो customer को flat मिलता है उसका on Diwali, you won't believe so many calls I get from clients to come home and eat food with us. That is वो मेरी जीत है.
Yeah, I think I can very much relate to you what you're
Thank
saying.
you. Thanks.
But when I read about your introduction, you have mentioned that you have witnessed lot of things in your life.
Yes, yes.
So what is that, and what you're mentioning it to?
See, I'll tell you, Anjali. So I told you about my childhood. It wasn't
Yeah.
easy
Right.
at all. You know, at all. It wasn't easy. But coming up, growing. So you know, just 3 years back, I lost my real brother. He was 32, and just suddenly, जैसे आजकल सबकी death हो रही है, आपको post मिल जाता है, he's no more, heart failure attack, just nothing happened, you know. And this is just 3 years back, and उसका एक 2 साल का बेटा है. उस टाइम पे 2 साल का था, अब he's going to be 5. His wife is there, who's my bhabhi, and you know, I can't tell you. I mean, during that time, I'll just tell you something which is, I think, सबके लिए बहुत important होगा ये message. कि वो जो 13 दिन थे ना अंजलि, जो 13 डेज होते हैं जब कोई चला जाता है, वो 13 दिन में आई रियलाइज्ड दैट जितने गेस्ट आ रहे हैं, दे आर ओनली कमिंग टू हग यू 10 seconds, 1 hour to eat food, half an hour to check who's doing what, and remaining time just to ensure that I can't come next day, I'm busy. It is all show. सिर्फ शो बस था. They will not feel more than 10 seconds.
Right.
Nobody can feel that pain. You know, so I really feel जो ये हमारा culture है ना, लोगों को बुलाओ, खिलाओ, बिठाओ, शोक मनाओ. So you know, you're making fun of that person who's no more. So जितने लोगों ने मुझे वो 13 days में अपने colors दिखाए, I have broken my ties with each and every person. चाहे वो मेरे real you know, family people रहने दो या friends रहने दो, I am no more in touch with them. Because for me, they insulted my brother's, you know, death, to be honest. My bhabhi, the child, my mother.
Yeah.
So I can't take that.
You still have your dad?
I have my dad. My parents are separated.
Okay.
Unfortunately, after my brother's death, my dad went away to our old house, and they were never together, Anjali.
Okay.
You know, and ये अच्छा हुआ that they got separated because ये मेरी वजह से दोनों साथ थे legally. And now when they're not together, they are very good friends.
That's,
You know, they're
that's
very good friends
important.
now.
Yeah, yeah.
They
Right.
talk, they go for dosa, they go for lunch or breakfast. He comes home to meet Yuvan, me. You know, we have a better relationship now.
Right.
But then if I tell you, even my brother's best friend or good friends, राहुल के डेथ के 15th डे पे आई गॉट अ कॉल फ्रॉम हिज बेस्ट फ्रेंड कि राहुल ने मुझे 2 लाख रुपए देने हैं. 15th
Rahul
day.
is your
My brother,
Okay,
my
all
brother,
right,
yeah.
Okay.
I'm like, but I asked you just 3rd day and you said no Priyanka, nothing is balanced, then 15 day के पास balance कैसे आता है?
Right.
Plus, do you have any proof?
Right.
Do you have any ledger? Do you have anything? He had nothing, Anjali. And I still made sure that I gave him some part payments. Because I don't know why I gave, I shouldn't, I feel now.
You
I was very emotional that time, you know, because it was, he's my brother. I'm still emotional about him. But I'm telling you, ऐसा best friend जिसके साथ वो उठना, बैठना, खाना, पीना, ऐसा best friend. So, you know, I got to know everything. My siblings were not there. My siblings were not there. Just imagine. तो ये सारी चीजें सी मेरे लिए बहुत important है.
Your siblings were not there in the sense
During these 13 days cremation.
You are your brother and you.
Only me and my brother, but you know other relatives,
cousins.
cousins, जो हम
Right.
बहुत close थे, बहुत close थे हम सब. You know, and I understand आपकी priorities होगी. Today if I see, I feel कोई बड़ी बात नहीं, but अगर मैं आपको दिल से बताऊं, अगर किसी के साथ ऐसा होगा जो मेरे बहुत close है, मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा झटका होगा. So maybe, you know, I just got to know this was my biggest struggle. I was the only one who was taking care of the entire family. I'm still doing that. It's not about financial. पैसों की बात नहीं है.
Correct.
मैं 10 रुपए में भी बड़ी हुई हूँ, 100 में भी हुई हूँ और 10 लाख में भी बड़ी हुई हूँ.
Right.
पॉइंट ये है कि इमोशनली आप बहुत वीक हो जाते हो. और प्रॉब्लम ये थी अंजलि, कमिंग बैक होम आई कुडंट क्राई. मैं राहुल भैया की डेथ के बाद आज तक खुल के रो नहीं पाई हूँ. क्योंकि कहाँ रोए? Where? You know, my mother is being so strong. Rahul bhaiya ki wife, she's being so strong. That baby, you know, he's being so strong. So this was my turning point in my life, where I've changed my lifestyle. I've become more serious about my work, myself.
Yeah, because now you're responsible.
I have a lot of responsibility.
Right.
Yes. But I'm doing happily. You know, मेरे ऊपर
So
जिम्मेदारी.
you are the man of the house.
Woman of the house.
Okay. yeah. I think that's better. Yeah.
I'm the woman of the house. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Right. Good. So you are married, not married?
I am not married.
Okay.
Yes.
बट आपकी तो शादी बचपन में आप बोल रहे थे जल्दी हो जाती है.
हो जाती है
और कर सकती थी और मारवाड़ीज में जल्दी होती है.
बहुत लड़के देखे अंजलि.
अच्छा.
अरेंज मैरिज के लिए बहुत लड़के दिखाए गए, देखे, रिजेक्ट किए, बहुत कुछ हुआ. देन यू नो सरप्राइजिंगली 7-8 years बैक आई गॉट एंगेज्ड आल्सो, लाइक प्रॉपर एंगेजमेंट, यू नो, जो हमारे इसमें होती है. आई हैड अंडरगॉन अ सर्जरी, उसको सिस्ट बोलते हैं. इट्स राइट हियर एंड आई हैव अ बिग मार्क. तो उसके स्टिचेस की बहुत बड़ा मार्क है. एंड आई वाज एट माय लोएस्ट एंड यू नो आई गॉट दिस रिश्ता एंड आई सेड यस. एंड दैट वाज माय, you know, the best decision is कि मैंने नहीं की. I had to call off that wedding. I didn't go ahead. Just right, I think 10 days before my wedding.
Alright.
So problem ये थी that I realized I saw another wedding and I saw दूल्हा दुल्हन वो फेरी ले रहे हैं and they're taking oath, and I placed myself in that position and I realized I can't do this. I can't. I just can't put myself there. I'll be doing wrong with the guy and the family. If I'm not giving my 100%, you know, it's wrong.
Okay, and why do you feel so that you can't
So at
give
that time, you know, believe me, Anjali, उस time पे भी I was doing job.
Okay.
8 years back, and शादी का जो खर्चा होता है, शादी में जो आपकी फैमिली का एक, you know, reputation होता है, वो सब नहीं था. ये सब अटैच होने वाला था मेरे नाना जी के साइड से, everything. But when you get married, उसके बाद जो सुनना पड़ता है आपको, you know, about your father, about your parents, about your well-being, about, यार ये सब हम अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते थे. मुझे ये इसका बर्डन मेरी मॉम पे नहीं देना था. Then what was the point of, you know, doing job, working so hard?
But you never know. I mean, if you're getting married to a right guy, you never
now
know.
I'm
I mean,
sensible.
Things can be
now
different for you, right?
Now I'm sensible.
Yeah.
But that time I wasn't. Actually.
You were not in the mind.
I was not in the mind frame.
Yeah. You were
I don't take myself
not
as, you know, a woman that time जो सही decision about marriage or a guy.
Right.
100% no.
Yeah. No. I think you're very sorted in your life.
Today.
That's what I feel. Yeah,
Today.
definitely. So you're looking forward to get married?
You know, Anjali, if I'll get married, this is on a lighter note. I'm not getting married because I don't want to see my divorce.
Just because you haven't seen the successful marriages around.
I've not seen, yeah.
You know,
no, I'm just not married. Otherwise, I am in a relationship.
All right.
And to be honest to you, what I realized is that when you are in a relationship and when you have a lot of love,
yeah.
I don't want to lose that love. मुझे बहुत डर है अंजलि, मुझे बहुत मुश्किल से चीजें मिलती है और बहुत जल्दी चीजें मेरे हाथ से
चली
निकल जाती है,
नजर लग जाती है
बहुत जल्दी। तो इस वक्त ये स्टेज ऑफ लाइफ वेयर आई हैव लॉस्ट ऑल माय क्लोज पीपल, आई एम नॉट रेडी टू लूज दिस थिंग, टू गेट into a commitment.
Why you're saying this? Because you have been through all this.
I've been through it.
So the person who has been receiving all these little negativities also in the life will always, वो कहते हैं ना छाछ, वो क्या दूध का जला
हाँ, बहुत
भी फूक के पीता है. So that's the scenario.
I am being careful,
But
yes. Because
I
ultimately
think
I don't
you're
want
very
to lose
lovely
them.
and you will get a lovely partner. I'm
Thank
sure
you.
about
Thank
this.
you.
And I'm happy that if you get married also, you will
You'll
be
be
the
the
boss
first one to
lady.
invite.
अरे बिल्कुल मैं सबसे पहले आऊंगी.
100%.
All right, so Priyanka, I have a question. There's a very instant question which comes to my mind, and I feel that I should ask you this.
Go ahead, go ahead.
आप तो मेरे को बस बॉस लेडी दिखते हो,
Who?
है ना? Good. So आप मतलब of course you must be into women empowerment also, but what do you think? What do you think about men empowerment?
Yeah, I'll tell you, Anjali, women empowerment today has become too negative. ये बहुत गलत साइड पे जा रहा है, where you are being selfish. वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट का मतलब है कि आप एम्पावर करो उन लेडीज को या लड़कियों को जो अपने आप को कम समझती है, जिनको अपने राइट्स नहीं पता है, who are not nurtured that way.
Right.
जिनको पता है उनको एम्पावरमेंट करके करोगे क्या?
Right. शायद उसका फायदा भी उठा रही
है. You and me, we both are aware about it. I will never do that.
Right.
एक बहुत सिंपल से एग्जांपल देती हूँ. I was talking to my sister in the car, coming to you. रिश्ते खराब होते हैं फोन्स चेक करने से, ये बात सब अग्री करते हैं. Why 90% women are only checking the phone? Why men, if you see the ratio, उनके यहाँ से see I'm talking about my circle.
Yeah.
So men, उनका भी right बनता है. They can react, they can ask you. जैसे आपके ऊपर क्वेश्चंस उठते आपका फ्रीडम हैम्पर हो जाता है.
Correct.
उनका फ्रीडम नहीं हैम्पर होगा.
Right.
It's about their freedom also.
Agreed.
It's about their space also. There are men who don't like publicly हाथ पकड़ना, photos click करना. There are. I have seen women taunting them, yeah. I have seen their partners taunting them. I have seen all those little things which I feel वो एक आदमी ना एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पाता है, लेकिन उसके मन में बैठती जाती सारी बातें. You need, जितना आपको फ्रीडम चाहिए उतना उनको भी चाहिए.
Right.
They also have friends. And one example I'll give you, which is utmost important. जब लड़की शादी करके आती है, ये लड़की की गलती है अंजलि कि वो अपने फ्रेंड्स को छोड़ देती है for whatever time. It is their mistake. आपका हस्बैंड आपको नहीं बोलता है छोड़ने के लिए.
Correct.
And all you want is your husband's time. But husband को friends भी चाहिए.
Of course.
They want to go out. They want to have a vacation. Why? जैसे थाईलैंड का वर्ड आता है, why it is wrong. जो चीज थाईलैंड में हो रही है वो बाली में भी होगी, वो रशिया में भी होगी, वो आपके यूरोप में भी होगी. Correct. So the point is that एक आदमी की फ्रीडम नहीं मिलने पर how much he's under stress and anxiety, I can't tell you. And then they start lying. They start hiding things.
Correct. I think you're right. मुझे ऐसा लगता है, I just feel that you are the man and you are talking in support of all the rest of the men who are listening to us. So I'm glad.
Thank you.
And there's somebody who's actually talking about men because this is also important because I somewhere feel that ये women empowerment के चक्कर में कहीं ना कहीं जो men हैं वो
दब गए हैं.
हाँ, दब
I'm
गए
telling
हैं.
you, दब गए हैं.
वो शायद टेबल के अंदर कहीं बेचारे छुप गए हैं.
I
And
agree.
there's nobody who's actually opening up to it कि
Nobody wants to, Anjali. आप example लीजिए. This is not, I'm not going to offend all the married men here, but few of them जो ऐसे हैं, maybe 10%. जितने भी मैरिड मैन के मुझे डीएम्स आते हैं, आपको आते होंगे, किसी को भी आते होंगे, हमारे ऊपर है कि हम लाइन कैसे ड्रॉ करते हैं.
Right.
Correct?
Right.
If you respond to them in the way they've responded, how are they crossing line? कहाँ, कौन से लीगल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में लिखा है कि वो मैसेज नहीं कर सकते आपको? Correct? But आपके ऊपर एक लाइन होती है.
Correct.
Why do you want to cross that?
Right.
You have friends like Anjali, we are friends, and our partners are following each other.
Right.
Okay, and our partners are messaging. हमारे friends के partners message कर रहे हैं. Why can't we draw a line ourselves? This is very important. Why women to women are not connected? ये सिर्फ 20 औरतें एक साथ मिलती है, फोटो खींचती है, खाना खाती है, अपने ब्रांड्स शो ऑफ करती है अंजलि, and they go away. Please ask them कि एक दूसरे के नाम भी पता है आपको? They will not know. But a bunch of 10 boys or men will all know everything about each other.
Yeah.
There is no competition.
Yeah, I think
There is no
everybody knows
jealousy.
that men are very well
I'm
connected.
telling you.
Yeah,
I've seen that. And it makes me feel wonderful. You know, I'm like,
Right.
wow,
Yeah, we usually hear ना कि men ज़्यादा अच्छे दोस्त होते हैं एक दूसरे men के,
100%. I've seen that.
ना कि women एक दूसरे
Women, nahi, Anjali, you see, by
Very less.
God's grace, I have one best friend since 10th standard. We are almost 15, 20 years friends now. And she has my heart. We've crossed this path. We have crossed this path. So, you know, ये एक कोई भी लड़की से आप पूछना कि आपकी एक बेस्ट फ्रेंड बताइए आप, और बेस्ट फ्रेंड का मतलब एक ही होता है,
एक ही होता है, एक ही
आपको
होती है.
बहुत कम आंसर्स मिलेंगे. You will not get.
Right.
So, you know,
I know what you're saying.
ज़्यादा सच बोल दिया आज.
नहीं नहीं नहीं, I think you are talking a truth.
Yeah.
And I feel everything which is coming out is from heart.
Yeah,
So it's
100%.
acceptable. Everything is acceptable. पर आपको डर नहीं लगता यार, मैं 35 की हो गई, बच्चा कब करेंगे,
60
शादी
की
कब
हो जाऊंगी
करेंगे?
तब भी डर नहीं है. अंजलि, पता है, मैं बचपन से एक और थॉट है मेरे अंदर, शायद इतना ज्यादा मैनिफेस्ट हो गया कि वो सच हो रहा है, कि मुझे कभी भी खुद का बेबी चाहिए ही नहीं था.
Okay.
You'll be surprised on this fact. और मैं फर्स्ट टाइम ओपन अप कर रही हूँ.
Yes,
फर्स्ट टाइम.
yeah,
मुझे
I
कभी
love
भी
it.
ऐसा नहीं था कि मुझे मेरा खुद का बच्चा चाहिए. I have always been very emotional towards poverty and unhappy children and orphanage. I have always been. Okay. So मुझे चाहिए था कि मैं एक ऐसे बच्चे को बड़ा करूँ who is not fortunate, you know, to have parents or a lot of things. So though unfortunate kids, people can make good fortune.
Correct.
I always thought that, always. And I will always have this thought now also. कभी लाइफ में अगर भगवान ने मेरे को मौका दिया, मैं जरूर बच्चे अडॉप्ट करूंगी. बच्चा नहीं, बच्चे.
Wow, that's wonderful thought.
I will.
Yeah.
There are so many unfortunate kids, yeah.
Right.
I feel that. I know it's difficult for a couple maybe, but then for me, I would definitely opt. अगर मुझे, if I can.
Correct.
I
But
know.
I think that's a wonderful thought. और उनको भी तो कहीं ना कहीं किसी ना किसी फैमिली में जगह चाहिए.
चाहिए,
And they
I've met
definitely
them.
need parents like you.
Yeah, and you know, I'll be like their guardian. Like, you know, मैं नहीं चाहती कोई मुझे मम्मी पापा. Anjali, I'll tell you something very personal. जब my brother passed away, everybody was telling Yuvan, ये now Priyanka, like he calls me Poo. He doesn't call me Bua.
Yeah.
So Poo का उसने मुझे Poo बना दिया मुझे. So he tells everybody was like, she's, you know, your father, and I'm like, no, Yuvan, I am your Bua. I'm your best friend. Your father is Rahul Agarwal only.
Correct.
I don't want to take his place. अगर जब राहुल भैया थे तब भी मैं जिम्मेदारी ले रही थी युवान की, वो नहीं है तब भी मैं लूंगी, मैं आगे भी लूंगी. तो why I want a tag of a person who's not there physically? You know, DNA तो उसका ही है. So we don't need these tags anymore.
Right.
And you know, आप कह रहे थे कि मैंने कुछ मिस किया है क्या अंजलि? ये 3 साल में अंजलि जो मेरा कनेक्शन स्पिरिचुअली स्ट्रॉन्ग हुआ है, I can meet a person in 10 seconds. I will tell you how the person is. In 10 seconds.
Right. Very less people have
I will
that
walk away
quality.
from the room if I don't feel the energy.
Get the vibe.
I will walk
Yeah.
away.
Right.
I will not force myself. I don't go for dinners. I don't go for social parties. जो बहुत सारी होती है. You know that.
Yeah, yeah.
I will have my close friends group parties.
Right.
जो मैं नहीं सोशल मीडिया पे पोस्ट करती. कितने लोगों को पता ही नहीं चलता है. I'm a house party person, you know, with my very close knit
Close.
friends.
Yeah, yeah.
And हमारे इतने सारे, you know, केदारनाथ, बद्रीनाथ, सारे धाम I do. I love doing that.
Yeah,
It
I've
gives
seen
me
your
power.
post. Yes, yes.
Gives me
I
so
keep
much
seeing
power, I can't tell you.
it. Right.
So that's how, I mean, you know,
Yeah.
people go to
Priyanka,
temple.
You're very strong. You have a vibe, okay? And I am really happy that I could understand and listen to your journey, because इससे पहले तो I didn't knew what you are. But मुझे इतना ज़रूर पता था that you have a very strong thought process. इसी वजह से I really wanted you to be here.
How sweet.
And it was wonderful listening to you.
Thank you.
And I am glad that we
Thank
are
you.
here to talk about your journey. And I'm sure the people who are listening to you, they are also very, very
I hope
happy and
so.
very satisfied after hearing you. Because there are a lot many people who cannot talk about
I
their
know.
journey, who cannot come out of what they are right now.
You need to get bold,
So,
Anjali.
yeah, and
You need to
I
get
think you
bold.
have defined the name Journey of Joy with Anjali Verma. So it was wonderful, amazing
Thank you.
listening
Thank
to
you.
you, Priyanka. Thank you so
Thank
much for
you.
being
Thank you.
here.
Thank you.
And it was a very good feeling when I got to know so much about you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Pleasure is all mine. and thank you for this very candid podcast.
Yeah, it was actually very very candid. I mean, मैं इससे पहले तो कितने सारे मैंने टेक लिए, but मुझे अभी लगा ही नहीं कि actually कैमरा है यहाँ पे और मुझे ये सब बोलना है. But it was lovely and I think ये वो जो भी सुन रहे हैं, it's amazing.
Thank you. Thank you.
So
Pleasure.
amazing. Yeah, thank you so much, Priyanka, for being here. All right, so it was Priyanka's journey, and it was amazing to hear her. She has actually defined Journey of Joy with Anjali Verma. Thank you so much to listen to her very patiently. Stay tuned for my next beautiful episodes. Thank you.